Your Almost Naked Chef here. Welcome to Tidbit Tuesday. Our tip of the week is a fun, simple snack. Amazing. We have plain popcorn with coconut oil, salt, and nutritional yeast. Oh my flipping gosh, it is so good. I am obsessed. You'd think the main ingredient is actually the nutritional yeast, but it's not. You need a nice, really big, really gaping bowl. One of these big bowls is vital for tossing the popcorn with an even distribution. Very, very important. 2 heaping tablespoons of the coconut oil. It's in there, Poppy. Promise. Alrighty, we have our popped popcorn. Amazing. It's very important to get the popcorn nice and wet first. What you need to do is get a good toss going and start to drizzle. Get it nice and wet-ish with the coconut oil. Then season accordingly with the nutritional yeast and then some salt. You do it layer by layer like they're fucking nachos or something. I might be making a mess, but I'm so far. Yeah, and there we have it. Oh, so good. Coated. Now that is what beauty's made of. Look at how beautifully coated that is.